Hello kids, can you guess the fruit and its color? Let's see how many you can guess. Ready? Let's go. Look what fruit in this and what color it's it. Can you guess? Did you guess? Yes, it's an apple and it is red. How look at this fruit? What is it? What color do you think it is? Yes, is a banana and the color is yellow. Here comes another fruit. Can you guess it? Mommy and color? Great! Is an orange and it is orange in color. Can you guess this and what fruit is this and what color is it? Correct. These and grapes and they are purple. Great job kids, you learn 4 fruit and their color. Today keep learn and keep guessing. Bye bye son.